In this lecture, you are going to see an introduction to negative SEO. Normally, when we say 1, 2, 3, it means +1, +2, and +3. So, like the positive numbers, there are negative numbers too. Similarly, when I say SEO, it means positive SEO. And like negative numbers, there is negative SEO. Now you should ask me what is negative SEO and why should I learn it if it's not good to do. If you do SEO, your ranking in search results increase, right? Similarly, if you do negative SEO, your ranking will fall. So to not doing that negative SEO, you should know what is considered as negative SEO in the eyes of search engines like Google. Negative SEO is not just something you do wantedly or voluntarily. There are some things which you may do unknowingly, and if such thing or practice falls under negative SEO, your rankings will fall or it will never rise. In fact, negative SEO is something which your competitor can do for your website to reduce your search engine rankings. Yes, that's possible. But if you're starting out fresh and if your website niche doesn't fall under the categories such as hacking tutorials, black hat SEO, etc., that is simply the niche where your competitors are not aware of negative SEO, then you don't need to worry about your competitors or external persons who may do negative SEO for your website. In the next lecture, you will learn the common negative SEO methods practiced by competitors.